Welcome to the TMC Newsroom. Rich Tehrani here. Thanks for watching. We're at IT Expo West 2012. We're in Austin, Texas. The Austin Convention Center. On our program is Joe Schurman, the founder and CEO of Evangelyze Communications. Joe, welcome to the show.
Thanks, Rich. Thanks for having me.
Thrilled to have you. Evangelyze Communications, what do you guys do?
So we are in the business of developing unified communications software applications for communication-enabled business processes, so CEBP applications. We primarily work directly with Microsoft, focusing on the Lync platform. So we look at the application programmable interfaces, the APIs, and the software development kits, and we build solutions on top of those kits and on top of those APIs, or the interface with those APIs. And so as an example, there are existing applications out there in the marketplace today, such as live chat. In fact, on the TMC website, you guys use Live Person as your chat mechanism for your website. And so we've developed a chat product that actually integrates directly within Lync, so that on a Lync client, you can actually respond to chats instead of having to go and sign into a separate application, really providing a true unified experience for not only your communications, but also your business applications. So that's our primary focus of business.
Now, do you focus on segments of the market? Like, do you have financial applications and healthcare?
Yeah, we started out developing kind of utility-based or integration services and solutions. We developed a solution called Smart SIP and Smart VoIP, which we actually got an award from you guys back in 2009, and actually sold that to NET back in 2010, which is part of their whole UX gateway strategy with Sonos now. Yeah. So Smart SIP was our product, and basically we've developed a series of applications in that realm, like just filling a void or filling a need within the UC market. Now we're looking at specific verticals such as healthcare and higher education, online learning management systems. We're really getting into the medical field around smart care, which is a product that we're starting beta development on this month, actually, out in New York City. We've got a dedicated staff of physicians that are going to be working with us. And that's to really provide a unified communications solution for healthcare, leveraging the modalities that are available inside the medical center. And we're doing the exact same in online learning management. So for higher education or even organizations that want to provide training internally, they can leverage a unified communications platform, whether it's Lync, which is our preferred client, or Jabber from Cisco, you name it, and provide the integration within that client framework.
Now, in terms of the competitive situation, do you typically go up against in-house development? Sometimes,
yes. In fact, just with all of our products, Smart Chat specifically is a product we're announcing here at this event for Lync 2013, but basically there is competition with existing solution development that's out there today, and there is competition with in-house development from the most of our enterprise customers that we work with today. And what they typically look at is, what is it going to take us to develop something like this internally? And one thing that we have as an advantage is that we've developed over the past 4 years a series of code libraries leveraging the platform that we're working with. So if it's a Jabber API or Jabber SDK or a Lync API or Lync SDK, we've mostly done all the integration work necessary to interface with the platform, so it cuts down the development time significantly. And that enables us to provide a price to our customers that is affordable instead of having to go and pay for a development team to focus on developing that solution. And on top of that, we focus on solutions that have features that are really interesting or important to massive amount of customers, not just a specific niche for one specific customer.
Now, companies, especially nowadays with so many acquisitions, they end up with disparate PBXs, and I'm wondering, does that affect their decision to work with your organization? Because what happens if a company is Microsoft Lync based, and then they go out tomorrow and they buy a company that happens to have a short tail PBX?
Right.
Where do they stand?
So on the voice side of things, we try to abstract what we're doing from a development perspective. Meaning, what I mean by that is you may have a Lync client as your instant messaging tool and your collaboration tool, but you might have a short tail PBX and use that for your phone system. We still have a play there because our software actually interfaces with the Lync client software application itself, not the actual PBX or the phone. But what we've decided to do over the past couple of years is take a step back and start building libraries and code development strategies at a kind of a top layer interface level, so that we can interface with a Cisco SDK or API, a Lync SDK or API, or a Siemens OpenScape SDK or API, and we're actually talking to other vendors about developing our solutions for their platforms so that we do have a solution to offer for that hybrid type customer. Most that we've found over the past 2 years, most organizations are moving to Lync for instant messaging and collaboration, even if they're not using voice. So we still have a significant play there just because our products don't require the enterprise voice component that Microsoft Lync provides.
Now, you were saying most organizations are moving to Lync?
Yes, if either in a Lync online perspective in the cloud, or a managed hosted Lync, or Lync on-prem.
Because I think the market research figures would indicate that they have to have a much higher share of the market. We're just saying there's momentum towards
much more
Lync.
momentum, yeah. Than in the past. I think Lync Online's really opened up a lot more opportunity. I've seen some large, I met with about 15 to 20 Fortune 50 CEOs and CIOs over the past, I guess 6 months to 8 months, and I have one CIO that actually moved close to 80,000 users to Lync Online, and that's a significant portion of users moving to the platform.
Now, what about cloud-based solutions?
So with the cloud, we've developed software that sits in the cloud, meaning our libraries actually integrate with Windows Azure, and we are working with actually Visual Studio 2012, which has a very unique development IDE, or integrated development environment, for us to leverage cloud-based componentry, meaning they can host our components in the cloud instead of actually taking our full application and hosting it in the cloud, which we also do. We work with hosting providers or organizations that are providing managed hosted UC and enabling a multi-tenant type environment for those providers as well. So it's not just cloud, but also managed and hosted UC, depending on the customer's choice. Because a lot of customers are interested in cloud-based UC, but not all the modalities are available yet in the cloud today. Mostly IM and collaboration.
Is there anything else we should know going forward?
We'll just keep UC soft. That's our goal. We're really in the business of coming up with innovative new ways to develop software that leverages communication modalities, and we're terrible at sales. So our focus is to open up a whole new revenue stream for partners and VARs and resellers, especially telecom VARs that have really struggled to kind of move into this new UC software space. And there's a great opportunity because they have the the customer base and the sales acumen, not the nerd dive into a cave, develop code for 12 hours a day type individual. We're not really good in front of a live customer, but yeah, it's a whole new opportunity that we're trying to open up for partners that you guys invite to this event.
Fantastic. Thanks for being here today.
Oh, my pleasure. Thank you very much.